Hello friends, I'm going to paint a landscape in a loose technique. I don't have any plans, no references. It will be a totally spontaneous painting for relaxation. I'm starting by wetting a spot in the upper part of my paper with clean water. Then I'm taking indigo, just a pure pigment, without mixing it with water. Since the paper is wet, beautiful stains appear. I'm picking up sepia only on the tip of the brush. I'm blurring the bottom edge of the spot with indigo, making horizontal brush strokes. Now I'm doing the same with yellow ochre. I'm applying sepia again to depict the autumn field. A little bit of indigo. I'm taking my elastic synthetic brush, Escoda Perla number 10, picking up sepia, and I'm painting horizontal lines depicting the relief of the lens surface. I'm adding concentrated indigo pigment to emphasize the mass of trees in the background. I'm tilling the paper to let the pigment spread, creating beautiful stains. I want to experiment by adding drops of clean water. For this purpose, I use a pipette. This technique will allow creating interesting effects on the painting. I'm removing excess water with the same pipette. I left the painting to dry. Now the surface of the paper is completely dry. Thanks to the water drops, interesting stains have formed. I'm taking my small brush with a thin tip, picking up sepia, and starting outlining the tree. A little bit of a pale mixture of water and sepia under the tree to depict the ground surface on which the tree grows. With the fine tip of the brush, I'm painting grass in the foreground. Painting grass. Softening sharp edges with a wet brush. Painting birds. Drying the painting with a hair dryer. The paper is still damp. Adding indigo to the foreground. I want to make it darker to create even more depth. The paper has dried and the tree looks too pale, so I'm adding contrast with indigo and sepia. I'm removing the pigment with a paper towel here and there to create an interesting texture. Drying again with a hair dryer. Adding details to the middle ground with indigo. A few minutes have passed. The painting has dried. I'm adding grass in the foreground using indigo. I think the painting is ready. It's time to sign my miniature painting. I hope you enjoyed the painting process. Painting spontaneously with watercolor is a great way to relax. If you are painting with me, you are very welcome to post your artworks in my secret Facebook group for my patrons. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy painting!